Take your hand out of your pocket.
Take my hand out of my pocket?
Yeah, take your hand out of your pocket.
You, dude. You have no authority over me.
Okay.
No. It's cold out. Why you have gloves on? Same reason, right? Don't touch me. This is not a legal Terry stop. Don't search me. Don't touch me.
I'm concerned. The public space.
Okay. Do you have any ID on you?
Why would I give you ID? Why would I give you ID, ma'am?
Okay, one moment.
Well, I don't wish to stay here. I wish to be on my way. I'm actually
Okay, one
heading out.
moment.
2 seconds ago, you wanted to walk away.
Listen.
You don't get to choose to come engage,
Listen.
re-engage as much
Listen.
as you want.
What do you mean I don't? I'm in
See,
public.
you're
I can
the only
talk
one
how
you're
much
the
I
only one
want.
getting upset here.
This started as a simple act, standing in public, holding a camera, doing nothing illegal. But within seconds, a federal officer turns curiosity into control, demanding compliance without authority. What follows isn't just a confrontation, it's a chain reaction. Backup arrives, cuffs go on, and suddenly, a man exercising his rights is treated like a criminal. The real question is, when does security cross the line into intimidation?
How you doing?
Can I help you with something?
No, I'm just taking a look around. That's all.
Take your hand out of your pocket.
Take my hand out of my pocket?
Yeah, take your hand out of your pocket.
You, dude. You have no authority over me.
Okay.
What are you, f***ing scared piggy, dude? Shut up.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Oh, really? It's a f***ing pamphlet, you idiot. What's your name and badge number? Scared little piggy. Run away. Get my hand out of my pocket. Come at me with an attitude.
The DHS officer orders the auditor to remove his hands from his pockets, without any legal basis. This is where things escalate. A simple refusal turns into hostility. This is a classic example of authority being asserted without reasonable suspicion, creating conflict where none existed.
How you doing? Are they coming here with sirens? They are. Look at this. Look at this. Whew. Really? Lights and sirens, huh? Scary guy with the camera. Wow, you burnt rubber, huh? Holy. Did you really burn rubber? Whew. How you doing? Why are you putting gloves on?
The original complaint was that the male supposedly was trying to take photos of the U.S. Customs office.
Take your hand in your pocket, please.
No. It's cold out. Why you have gloves on? Same reason, right?
I want to pat you down.
Don't touch me. This is not a legal Terry stop. Don't search me. Don't touch me.
I'm concerned
I don't
about
have
your
any weapons. F off, you scared piggy, dude. Shut up.
Okay.
Shut up. I haven't done nothing wrong. This is a public area.
Detained right now until we figure out exactly what's happening.
Yeah, well, don't touch my camera.
Well, it's going to keep recording. It's all right.
I haven't committed any crime. I don't touch any searches or seizures. This is public property. I have allowed to take pictures.
I'm trying to figure out what's happening.
Yeah, there's nothing happening. Camera. That's what's happening.
That's great. Then that's all it is.
Yeah.
And you'll be on your way.
No.
But when you're not complying, you're not listening to me.
I don't have to listen to you, dude. Why don't you get your hands off me
detain
instead?
you.
Police arrive, immediately detain, handcuff, and seize the camera, all while admitting they're trying to figure out what's happening. Detaining first, investigating later, that's backwards. This raises serious concerns about unlawful detention and violation of constitutional rights.
Okay? So that's what we're going to do.
No, I don't think so.
All right. Let's step out of the way so we're not...
Put my camera up. I want my camera up.
It's right there.
Facing
It's
us.
Still running.
Put my mask on. I might be sick. What's your name and badge number? Can I have my camera, please? Can I have my camera in my hand, please?
Yeah, not right now.
Oh, then I'm not answering any questions. This is public
You
property.
don't want to tell me what's happening here?
I just told
So I
you.
can
It's
help
quite simple.
fight this process?
I just told you. I'm taking pictures and video on federal property. There's a Department of Homeland Security Services Operational Readiness Memo of 2018 that states I can take pictures on federal property.
Okay, so why did
That's
we call
it.
here? So why do we get called
Go
here?
talk to the reporting party. Leave me the alone and get me out of these cuffs. I haven't been in any restricted areas. I have not been disorderly. Okay? That's it. End of story. Give me my camera. You're violating my rights. Get me out now. Or call a supervisor. I have done nothing wrong.
I am the supervisor.
No. Then call your supervisor or get me out of these cuffs, dude. No. I'm not answering any more of your questions.
Why I was called here?
Call my attorney. Call my attorney. Nope. I'm all done. I do know why you called here, because you got a scared little Department of Homeland Security over here, okay, who's scared of a camera. I'm in there getting pamphlets, taking pictures and video. Get me out. I have done nothing wrong. I have no weapons on me. Please do that. Please do that.
This is why people go in handcuffs. If you're non-compliant,
I don't have to comply with you. I don't have to
to
comply with you. Yeah, I'm pissed off because you're violating my rights. You're telling me you're going through my pockets. You're detaining me for absolutely no crime. You're a dude. You're a What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? Identify yourself. This is a constitutionally protected right. Do you understand me? You're violating them. I've committed no crime.
What do you need? Do you know what's happening?
Vaguely. So.
Taking pictures and video on federal property. Can you take me out of these cuffs, please?
Sir, in just a moment.
Take me give me my camera. Can I have my camera, please?
It's recording
Just
right now.
give me my camera, please.
It's recording right
Give me
now.
my camera in my hand. It's not going to do anything different
It's
other than record
recording.
what I need to record, please. For my safety, I'd like to have my camera in my hand.
I'm recording as well.
I don't care. I don't
your
trust
camera is
that. No,
recording.
my camera doesn't go anywhere. Yours gets erased very, very frequently. I know all about you. What's your name and badge number?
It's Corporal Bacalini 272.
Can I have my camera, please?
You'll get that in just a moment.
Just put it in my hand, dude. It's not a weapon. It's nothing unsafe about it.
It's going to sit right there just for a moment.
Dude,
I understand you're highly agitated.
I'm pissed the off, dude. I've done nothing wrong. I have not been in any restricted. I've been in no restricted areas.
We're trying to figure out what's going on.
It's very simple. I'm taking pictures. It's a constitutionally protected right.
I understand.
There's a Department of Homeland Security 2018 memo.
I understand.
Operational readiness. Do you know about that?
Okay, so just.
This is conspiracy, you know that, right? Federal and city working together, do you know that, right? That is conspiracy, 1983. Yeah. I told you what I was doing. I'm taking pictures and video in a publicly accessible area. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
End of story.
Okay,
and I'm not happy that law enforcement is here putting me in handcuffs, taking my camera and oppressing my rights.
We're trying to figure out what's going on here.
Yeah, you don't have to put me in cuffs for that.
Well,
You've already patted me down. I have no weapons on me.
You already came up in an agitated state, so yeah, we're going to put handcuffs on people.
Because he told me to get my hands out of my pocket, which are freezing cold right now because of you. That's why they're in my pocket. And there's nothing illegal about my hands being in my pocket. You got no RAS right now. Nothing. No reasonable suspicion of any crime that has, is, or about to be committed. Get me the out of these cuffs. What PD are you with?
Burlington.
Go figure.
I'm not
you know, it took me 3 years to get you pieces of shit out to me. You know that? Because you scared piggies, dude, that don't even want to be on YouTube. And you know what? I don't blame you. I'd run from me too. But you know what? You had the balls to come out here today, and I knew you would. Because of scared piggies like this who can't even protect the border. Give me my camera, please.
It's right there.
Can you turn it around, please?
It's right there.
Can you turn it around?
It's right there.
It's facing the hood. Can you turn it around at least?
There you go.
Facing this direction?
It's right there.
Can you face it this direction, please?
It's right there. No, leave it.
It's my property. Get the off of me, dude.
It's not doing anything. Leave it alone.
What are you detaining me for? What crime?
We're trying to figure that out.
What crime?
We're trying
what
to figure
crime?
that out. I know, you're just going to keep yelling over.
R-A-S. You're not answering my question. You have to articulate the crime you are suspecting.
You
have to articulate the crime.
You're just yelling over top.
Is it disorderly conduct?
You're just yelling over top.
Is it trespassing?
I don't know.
What are you suspecting me of? You can't even answer. Do you know what RAS is? You have to have it in order to detain me.
Are you going to keep yelling over me, or do I have to explain?
Can you answer my question?
Can you stop yelling over me, or can I explain?
Don't say you're trying to.
Can you keep yelling over me?
What's going on?
Do you want to keep
Go
yelling
ahead.
over me?
What's your RAS? Why are you detaining me?
The reason why I got sent here is because we were called. There was a disturbance at the terminal of the airport.
A disturbance.
Right?
And
there was a gentleman that was
my
highly
camera
agitated that was refusing to take his hands out of his pockets.
My camera is disturbing? You think that you have able
Was I here when this all started?
Am I
Was I
still
here when this all
detained?
started?
I'd like to be free to go and exercise my constitutionally protected rights peacefully, like I was.
Okay. It's clear you're trying to demonstrate you have the right to film. And
That's it.
Okay?
That's it.
We understand.
He told me to get my hands on it in my pocket. He has no authority to tell me to do so. There's no legal authority behind that. So I said no.
So,
And I told him to run away, little piggy. That's what I told him.
this... Yes, sir. Do you need something?
It's federal property.
I'm the assistant director for the airport.
I'm not on the airport property.
So I guess
I'm on federal property.
Yeah.
Chat over here. Yeah.
Am I still detained, Sarge?
You are for a moment.
Right, and you can't articulate the crime, huh? Because my hands were in my pocket? I can't wait to tell my attorney that one. You detained me because my hands were in my pocket. Okay. Even though I have no weapons, huh? And you Terry stopped me. Okay. That's a good one for the jury.
Okay.
That's a good one. I'm not here for heritage. Tell him that.
Okay.
I've never been on their property. I have no reason to. It's private property. What's your name and badge number? Please.
So, it's First Amendment auditor.
Please, name and badge number.
Wants to. This is kind of provoking the CBP has.
Provoking. My exercising my rights is now provoking. Okay. Good one.
So, what we got called for was somebody got non-compliant.
Jessica Norris.
Causing a disturbance
There's no
at
disturbance.
the airport. So,
I'm not at the airport.
there was nobody else out here with him. So, he was detained alone.
Oh, I got plenty of people around.
Yeah, he was in the, you're in the parking lot on the sidewalk,
right
somewhere right over here.
Hey, I heard you guys coming, burning rubber, like scared little piggies. Amazing. I'd love you to trespass me too, buddy. I dare you. So I ain't going anywhere until you leave. And who said I was a First Amendment auditor?
Well, it's...
Are you just assuming? Is that how you do your job now? You just assume things?
Property that looks like a
Turn, face the car.
Yep.
This is what's going to happen. I'm going to take you out of handcuffs. I expect you to be compliant with us during this process. They are in the process of figuring out where you're going to be trespassed from, if anywhere at all, okay? And I can let you
Good
know
luck
what
with that.
is.
Yeah, I'll take the arrest, so just leave me in the cuffs.
So you want to stay here?
No, this is public property, is what I'm telling you. It's federal property. There's a Department of Health and
Well,
Department of
they're
Homeland
letting you know
Security.
where you can and cannot be.
Yeah, no, they won't.
Absent business.
Okay.
And then if you continue to...
That's private property right there, and I'm not going on it. That's all I know. That's where I know I'm not allowed.
What are you talking about? Where
Heritage
are you
is
talking
private property. I'm not on that property. I'm not going on that property.
about?
So they could trespass me there. I don't care. I have nothing to do with them.
That's what they're figuring out.
Yeah,
And
that's
while
fine.
they're doing that, we're just going to hang.
All right. Can you just take me out of these cuffs, and I'll just hang out, I guess.
When I take your left hand, I'll put it on top of your head. Do you understand that?
My head? Am I still detained?
When I take your left
Am I
hand...
still detained?
Listen to me. I'm trying to do this safely so you
Dude,
and I don't get hurt.
Ain't
What
nobody
I'm telling
getting
you-
hurt here, dude. Your
When
feelings are getting hurt. That's what it is.
My feelings not hurt
All
at
right, so that's all that's going to get hurt here
So
today.
I'm giving you specific
Feelings
direction
and
with what to do with yourself.
Okay. Am I still detained? It's a legal
Will
question.
you help him assist this left hand to his head and take out of handcuffs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Am I still detained?
Until I take you out of handcuffs, you're clearly detained.
Okay.
Is that not obvious
So
to you?
once this handcuffs comes off, I am free to go?
You will be free to leave.
Okay, and I don't have to listen to anything you tell me, right?
Unless you commit a crime.
Yeah, all right, there you go. Yeah, I'd rather not put my hand on my head because I don't have to. You can
really
get your hands
glad.
off me. Nobody's getting hurt here, you pig. Get out of here.
Sir, I'm
Shut
gonna
up.
ask you to allow them to have their conversation,
No.
or I will take
Go in a private area. I'm not even doing anything wrong. You just said I'm not committing any crimes. Tell them to go in a private area. This is public. This is public property. There's no expectation of...
You don't create a disturbance.
I'm not. I'm going to stand here and be quiet and let them have their conversation. But I'm not going to let them conspire.
Conspire.
Yeah, conspire. Conspiracy, you know what that is? I have the right to record my public officials.
Good job.
My hands are in my pocket. Is that okay, officer? Are you still scared? This right here, wailing.
Why are you supposed to be so confrontational? It's encounter. It's one thing next is right, but you're just creating...
No, because you're a tyrant. That's why. Because you're scared.
I haven't done
My
anything.
hands are in my pocket because it's cold out, and it's not illegal. You just illegally detain me, so you and everybody else here. That's why. Oh, my hand.
Trespass my heritage, correct?
Oh, yeah, I don't care. I'm not on their property. I have no reason to be on their property. But I do have every legal right to be here.
Hey,
Shut the f up. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Do you want him to remain on your property?
This is a leased property through this building. I have every right to be here on this sidewalk. I am not going on that property. You cannot trespass me from over here. I'm not going on your property. I have nothing to do with heritage. You can give me my warning. I don't care. I know the law. If I go on the property, I'll be arrested. I get it. I know.
Me, from my area, absolutely, but he wasn't in my area. He was in heritage. But yes, I do. Absolutely.
You're the facilities manager?
Yeah. I got work to do.
Yeah, this is Department of Homeland Security, U.S. Customs Protection.
From Heritage.
Yeah, I'm not on heritage property. This is leased property. Yeah, it's federal.
Is the building itself heritage? Yes. So you want him trespassing?
You cannot trespass me out of the border.
When you guys determine what you want done with him, you let us know, okay? We're gonna be leaving the area.
Yeah.
All right. Corporal Norris. Understood.
See you later. You got a business card?
I don't have a business card.
You don't have a business card?
No.
Does he have a business card?
I don't know.
Okay.
They want him trespassing.
Yeah. Can you call a supervisor higher than you, please? Because I'm possibly being trespassed from public property right now.
When we get information about that, we'll let you know.
Well, I'm telling you, it's public property, federal property. You can't trespass me. Shut the f up. Shut your mouth.
Sir, like right as of now,
Yeah.
sir, you're trespassed from the inside and from the property of the U.S. Customs.
Yeah, you can't do that.
And from,
You can't do that. No, you can't. I've committed no crime.
If you go into their building or onto their property.
Into there? Call a lieutenant, please. Call a lieutenant, please.
My sergeant is right there.
Call us different sergeant, please. I'll call your supervisor. No.
My supervisor,
I'm going back in there. It's public property.
you can't go back in.
It's public property. Then I'll take the arrest. Then arrest me now. Because I'll f***ing sue the shit out of everybody here. And heritage. You can't trespass me from that building. I have every right to be in there.
Absolutely.
You can't. I committed no crime. I've committed no crime. It's federal property. For taking pictures, huh? For taking pictures? Call your supervisor here now because I'm going to sue the city, dude.
So listen right now, the airport is saying that they want you
This is
trespassed from the
public property. Do you understand that?
The U.S. Customs and Border Protection are saying they want you trespassed from their building and
For
property.
what?
Heritage is saying that you want
For
you to
taking
trespass.
pictures?
They can trespass you from their property if they don't
No,
want you.
they
The airport
cannot.
is
It's public
They can.
property.
So at this time,
Department of
I'm asking you to
Homeland
leave.
Security. Department of
asking you to
Homeland
leave.
Security. Can I advise you of the date?
At this time, you've been trespassed from this property, so you need to leave right now.
No.
Otherwise, you will be arrested
For what?
for trespassing on the property.
For what crime?
You've been trespassing because they want you trespassed, and they have.
Can I not go in there and get pamphlets?
They have the authority. Now that you have them, please leave.
No, I need more.
No, you're leaving right now. They're saying that they want you trespassed from here. If you do not leave at this time,
This is public property.
trespassing.
Can you call a sergeant, please?
The sergeant.
I'm going to go talk to you, sergeant.
The sergeant's right there. Sorry. I just.
Yeah, go hide, you f***ing pig. Yeah, I'm sure you do. Hey, Sarge. Sarge, can I talk to you, please? Okay, so I'm advising you. I don't need her here. I'm talking to the sergeant. Can I talk to him alone, please? I'm talking to the sergeant.
Airport owns this property.
I'm talking to the sergeant, please. I'm talking to the sergeant, please.
I can talk
Stop
to my sergeant,
interrupting
too.
me.
No, I'm
Stop
telling you what's going
interrupting
on
me.
right now.
I'm trying to tell him.
It's trespassing him, so he needs to leave right now. Otherwise, he's arrested.
And I'm going to talk to the sergeant about what he wants to do.
On operations. U.S. Customs says they want to trespass from his building as well. The airport has heritage, so they said trespass from the property.
He's being trespassed from the airport, heritage.
I don't care about the airport or heritage.
The airport has heritage, yeah, they lease it from the
And all this constitutes
Yeah.
airport property.
No. I'm going to show you something, okay?
Okay.
And I just want to advise you because I know you're not federal police. This is called the operational readiness memo, okay? And I just want to advise you that if you trespass me from here, there's legal consequences, okay? This is from Department of Homeland Security. Can you read that, please?
I'm not going to read a memo.
Okay, can I
put it on your phone? Okay.
I didn't put it on my phone. This is from Department of Homeland Security themselves. It says it right there.
Okay.
It's called an operational readiness memo.
I don't know that the paperwork you have on your phone is official paperwork. So
okay, well then I'll pull it up right now. Here. No, look it.
What I'm telling you is this.
You need to listen to me because I will sue everybody here, and I don't want to do that. So can you just give me a second? Because I want to educate you guys before you make a mistake.
Okay.
That's all I want to do. I'm giving you the opportunity.
So they talked to their attorney, and they said to trespass him, and it's for the entire property. So
okay.
Give me 1 second, please. I'm talking to the sergeant. I'm showing him a legal document. That's all I'm doing. Okay. And then I'll make my choice from there, okay? There you go, Homeland Security, okay? It's not a screenshot. Operational readiness memo, attachment, video photography. I'll open it up. So, for properties under the protected jurisdiction of FPS, there are currently no general security regulations prohibiting exterior photography of any federal owned or leased building. It's a leased building.
Yeah.
About a written local rule or regulation. Photographing the interior and the exterior. Photograph for news, advertising, and commercial purposes is governed by 41 CFR. Addressing photographing or exterior of federal facilities. The purpose of this bulletin was to remind FPS personnel that the public has the right to photograph the exterior of federal facilities from public forums. From the publication of bulletin, FPS has experienced an increase in the public's interest in photographing both exterior and interior federal facilities. So right here it says exterior facilities.
You can film and photograph. That's what you're saying.
That's all I'm doing.
Yeah.
That's all I'm doing.
And I understand that.
I don't care about anything else here, but this is a leased property. I just showed you that. It said leased properties.
Yeah.
But I'm not going on their property.
To explain to you where we're at right now. You came here to film and photograph.
Okay? Yeah, very peacefully.
Not illegal.
No, I was peaceful about it.
We were called here for an issue that
because I didn't get my hands on my pocket.
Confrontational, escalated, and now we're taking hands in your pocket.
That's it. No, there's no escalation.
And we detained you for that.
Okay.
Once we determined that there was no other crime at that point in time, you were released from handcuffs and let to go.
I get that.
The folks here have now decided that based on your behavior in totality, not just the filming, all your other behaviors, they want you trespassed.
Okay. But they can't do that.
They can. You can film. It's not illegal to film. But what they're saying now is they want you to trespass on the property. Okay? Which means you have to leave airport property to include heritage and these grounds here. Do you understand that? Do you understand what I'm saying to you? I don't know what you mean by turning your back to me.
Put the cuffs on because I'm not leaving.
So you'd rather be arrested than leave the property?
No, I would. I told you what I'd like to do. I'd like to continue my peaceful recording on the exterior of the federal building.
It's peaceful when you say pig.
To you, I could do that. It's free speech. It's free speech. I was peaceful before. Hold on. And I'll definitely be peaceful after. All I ask is just leave me alone. If I have questions...
Because now you're trespassing the property.
Okay. So if you're not leaving right now, you're trespassing. You've been formally trespassed from the property. You're refusing to leave, so you're placed under arrest for trespassing.
Take this out of your hand. Put the hand on your back.
In the end, the auditor was arrested for trespassing, despite standing on what he argued was public federal property. The case is still moving through the courts. But here's the bigger takeaway. Knowing your rights isn't enough. You have to be ready to defend them. Because when authority goes unchecked, rights become optional. If you believe in accountability and transparency, make sure to subscribe, share this video, and stay informed, because the next time, it could be you behind that camera. A camera in public shouldn't trigger panic, but today, it does. What starts as a simple recording on a sidewalk quickly spirals into threats, aggression, and a 911 call, all because someone didn't like being filmed. Then police arrive, responding not to a crime, but to a complaint about rights being exercised. So here's the real question. Are citizens the problem, or is it the reaction to their freedom?
The suspicious ones that hate to be recorded because they're probably up to no good.
Explain. How you doing?
So, what you doing?
Filming.
Are you filming me? What
I mean, if you walk in front of me,
yeah,
of
I'm
course.
asking that you not actually put me on film.
Oh, well, I mean,
Disrespectful.
you're
What's
in
your
public,
name?
bro. Have a good day, man.
You're in my public space also. What's your name?
You're actually, you walked right up to me.
No,
so now you're
I'm
getting
walking
filmed.
through this area because I have
Okay,
to go somewhere.
you're in
not to
public.
put a-
Have a good day.
Don't put a camera on me. I'm going to call the police on you, actually.
For a camera?
What's your
Are
name?
you serious?
I don't want you filming me, bro. Stop putting that
Yo,
shit on my
if you
face,
touch
bro.
me, bro,
If
you're
you
gonna
put
have a
camera on
problem.
my face, you're going to get hit so hard.
Dude, you're not going to threaten me, man. You better back away. Get the hell out of here.
Camera out of my
Get
face,
away.
bro.
Get
Or
away.
slam you, bitch.
Yo.
You're gonna slam.
You're about to take the sauce if you keep it up. You better fucking move
camera
on.
out of my face,
Move
bitch.
away.
Get your little shit out of
Go.
my
You're
face.
causing a scene. Get out of here.
Your little dick out of my face, you little shit.
Bye.
Fucking camera, you
See ya.
little bitch, camera, you little
Have a good day, man. Have a better day.
libido shit. You got a little libido, bitch. You John Hopkins.
Yeah, I do. Yep, low libido. My wife hates it. Have a good one. Wasn't even filming you till you started. See ya. I don't know what you think you're doing. I'm gonna watch myself. Are you threatening me, man? Why are you threatening me? Why are you threatening me? Man, go seek some help, bro.
A bystander aggressively confronts the auditor, threatens violence, and escalates the situation over being filmed in public. This is pure misunderstanding of public rights. The real danger here isn't the camera. It's the emotional overreaction that turns a harmless act into a volatile situation.
Slamming the e-brake. How you doing? For what?
We got a call about you were filming the government building.
I sure was, from the public space.
Okay. Do you have any ID on
Why
you?
would I give you ID? Why would I give you ID, ma'am?
Okay, one moment.
Well, I don't wish to stay here. I wish to be on my way. I'm actually
Okay, one
heading out.
moment.
Am I being detained?
One moment, sir.
For what crime? Am I being detained? Because if
One
not, I'm gonna
moment.
move. If you're not gonna tell me, I'm just gonna head out.
available. Can I see you over here?
How you doing? Can I get your name and number, please?
Yeah, sure. This is Window Black.
Awesome. You don't have an ID, you said?
I'm not going to show you my ID.
No. I thought like a badge number.
Yeah, I said 90.
I didn't catch it.
How you doing today?
Pretty good. About yourself?
Good. Were you over there in Binns Park earlier today?
I was down on the sidewalk. Why?
Okay.
Why do you ask?
Well, why? Because you're carrying a sidearm and that's
Lawfully?
a violation of the park rules.
I'm not in. First off, I'm not in the park.
Okay.
Second off, if it was a violation of park rules, it's preempted by the state of Pennsylvania. As a law enforcement officer,
Yeah.
you should be aware of that. So don't go and give me
It's a city ordinance
directives.
violation.
That would be a violation of state preemption. You know, only the legislature can make firearm laws. So really, we don't have anything to discuss.
Yes, I am.
Can I get your name and number, please, sir?
You're
Sir,
not being stopped.
I'm sorry.
You're not being stopped.
Well, that's funny. I asked her like 4 times, and she kept saying, "Oh, just give me a minute." I mean, I know I don't feel like I'm detained. I know I can go on my way. But my question is, why are you coming out here for illegal activity? For a camera and a firearm?
Well, it's
Lawful?
election day. You can't have
Oh.
firearms inside of a poll.
Did I
near
go
a polling
inside a
place.
polling place, sir?
I didn't say you did.
Okay, well then what
We
are you
got a call
making
from
up
the
random
government
stuff?
building stating that there was an armed
Congratulations.
subject acting out in front of the area.
Acting out. Do you see a camera? Do you
Yeah,
think I'm
I see
acting
it.
out? You're going to see it online.
I didn't see that. I'm telling
Okay.
you what the caller reported
That's
to the
fine.
police.
That's fine. Okay,
We're
but you came up
investigating-
cocky, dude.
No, I didn't come
Yeah,
up
you
cocky.
did. It said 9-0. Dude, I'm respectful to you if you're respectful to me.
I've been respectful.
No, you kind of came up cocky. And ma'am, if I ask you if I'm detained, please let me know in the future. Please, I'm not trying to be a dick, okay? But you guys gotta freaking, be reasonable. Actually, I'd like to get a shot of your car.
Police arrive, question the auditor, request ID, and imply suspicion, despite openly admitting they're responding to a call about filming. This shows a pattern: lawful activity treated as suspicious. When officers prioritize complaints over constitutional understanding, it creates unnecessary tension and risks unlawful detention.
I didn't call you guys,
I know you did.
okay? I was
Someone
on my
else,
way
a
out.
citizen called us from
Awesome.
the government building.
Oh yeah, what about the citizen up here that threatened to beat my ass? I had to pull out
I
my
don't know.
mace. They're right by the court. I was
Do you
at
want
the
us to
courthouse too.
investigate that?
No, actually I don't. But
Okay.
he said he was going to call the police, so I figured maybe he did. But yeah, he was off his rocker, man. But like I said,
I mean, that can happen. I mean,
lawful activity, man. Lawful activity. You know who knows this is lawful activity?
that?
Your Sergeant Davis. So, and he knows who I am. So you could talk to him, okay? But
I
dude,
didn't ask you who
dude,
you were.
I know you didn't, but you came rolling up on me 3 deep, for a lawful activity. That's unheard of. That's ridiculous.
Well, it's suspicious activity.
It's not suspicious.
You don't
Suspicious
think it is
activity is a
because you
camera.
know what you're doing.
Dude,
I know what you're doing too.
Okay, then why are you
trying to
here?
You know.
Dude, you know what I'm trying to do? You know what I'm trying to do?
Sure.
Exercise my rights in public without being harassed by law enforcement.
You're not being harassed.
I'm not being harassed. 1, 2, 3. I know I'm free to leave, but I want to have a conversation with you.
Okay, well let's.
Why are you like this? Why is your department like this? I was in the township. I was in Manheim Township. Inside, I was in PennDOT. I could be there. You understand that? I could be in these places. Not one officer came out to talk to me or said I was suspicious. I've had nothing but compliments from people. The only people causing the scene are you, and you. And no disrespect, you haven't said anything, but 3 deep for a firearm, which is lawful, and for a camera.
Okay.
That's ridiculous. You're making yourself look stupid on camera.
I don't think I'm making.
I think you're making yourself look very stupid.
I'm responding.
I tell you what,
to a
I'm gonna stand here until you guys leave. When you guys leave, I'll move on my way. So if you guys don't have anything better to
This
do,
is a public sidewalk. I'm allowed to be here.
then we could be here the rest of the night. I don't care. That's fine. Let's do this. I'm gonna check out. You have a call number or an incident number? Do you have? Can I get it?
You were able to go down to the police station.
Oh, see what I mean about you being an asshole? There you go again.
God, nobody's cursing at you. Why are you cursing?
Dude, you guys are freaking cornering me on the sidewalk for illegal activity.
You're free to go.
I understand I'm free to go. I want to know why you feel the need to try to intimidate people doing nothing wrong. Can I have your business card, please? Each and every one of you, I'd like your business
My
card.
name and my badge.
I'd like your business card, please.
I'm not going to give you my.
You're not going to give me your
Those are my
business card. They're your. Did you pay for them, or were they paid for by taxpayer dollars by the department?
They were not.
They were not. You paid for them out of pocket?
Yes.
So if I put in a FOIA request, I'm going to be told that you provide your own. One camera. Go ahead, lie to the camera.
I'm not
please.
lying to the camera.
Okay. Do you have a business card, ma'am? May I have it, please? Thank you. I don't wish to speak to you. You're a dick.
Okay, fine.
May I have your business card, please, sir?
I actually respect.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Look, 2 seconds ago you wanted to walk away.
Listen.
You don't get to choose to come engage,
Listen.
re-engage as much
Listen.
as you want.
What do you mean I don't? I'm in
See,
public.
you're the
I can
only one
talk how
You're the
much
only
I
one
want.
getting upset here.
I'm the only one getting
Yeah,
upset.
you seem aggravated.
Yeah, I am
1 minute
aggravated.
you want to
Why
walk
am I
away.
aggravated?
1 minute you want to walk away.
Why do you think
then
I'm
you come back
aggravated?
over saying, I want this and that and the other.
But I'm still waiting for you to identify
My
yourself.
name is Officer. It's the size of a billboard.
Is it Capel or Capel?
If you can't read, that's not my problem.
Oh, wow, what a dickhead, man.
Okay.
You're a dick. Do you have a card or not? You're getting a
My
complaint.
cards were donated to me.
There we go.
You're getting a complaint, by the way. Not you. You've been
I
okay.
think that's what you came here for.
Do these guys always act like this with the public? I mean, I understand you don't want to make a comment, but that's ridiculous. I know who you are. I used to work for Comcast, and I believe it was you that stopped the traffic for me up there years back. You know what? But I'm not going to tolerate you guys coming up, rolling on me 3 deep, talking about I'm suspicious because I have a camera and a firearm on a public sidewalk. You guys are absolutely insane. I know, and I'm going to stay here until you guys go. That's the thing. So since you guys have no crime in Lancaster City, and you're not busy, let's just stay here and talk all day. Awesome.
Right.
Did you tell
So
them
we're
what I was
doing our
doing was
job.
lawful?
How do we know until we stop and talk to you? So we've stopped.
I don't even have to talk to you. I could have kept
So
walking.
we stopped and talked to you, and now you're free to go, and you choose
I
to
understand.
sit.
I'm staying
Because
until
you like
leave.
the attention. Have a good day.
I do. Actually, you know what? I don't. I don't like the attention. I like officers to be respectful to the public instead of being an ass.
Hey, I'm trying to choose this.
Oh, yeah, certainly, certainly. Oh, by the way, hang on. Careful. They might say a suspicious activity. Let me get out of your way, man. I'll respect you. You can take your shots. Maybe the officer will move out of your way. I don't know. He's kind of not a nice guy. He's got a smirk on his face. He thinks he's fucking great. That's what he does. He thinks he's great because he has a badge and he can come harass people walking down the street. Freaking ridiculous. Nobody. Actually, she asked me to stop, and I asked 4 times if I was detained, 3 or 4 times. So she didn't say I was detained. That she was doing radio traffic, which I get, but she never answered my question, which means I'm probably not detained because you know you can't unlawfully detain me. You know, this was great. Everything was going good until you guys showed up. And tell your city to stop passing unlawful firearm ordinances. If I want to carry down through Benz Park, I will and I can. And the state legislature preempts it.
You can take it to court.
I can take it to court and take your qualified immunity because you're knowingly violating my well-established rights, and you damn well know it's preempted by the state. So go ahead and tell that to a judge. Okay. Go ahead and tell it to, yeah, okay. All of a sudden, you know what qualified immunity is? That means I get to sue you in your personal capacity.
Sure.
Yeah.
But you're not detained right now.
I know, but you're telling me I can take it to court. I'm instigating. I'm standing
I
here.
said if you were charged, you could take.
If I was charged, because
That's
you
your
wouldn't charge me
constitutional right.
because you know you can't. So I'm gonna stay here until you guys leave. We could be here all night.
That's fine. Very upset about this.
Yeah, I am very upset about being harassed by 3 police officers walking down the street. I'm gonna call countywide communications then. Verify the call number.
Take care. Have a good day.
Take care of. So you guys got crime and stuff that go take care of?
We're good to go.
Okay, ma'am, thank you for being professional. I mean it. They're assholes. I don't like them. Thank you.
How you doing, sir? Can I help you? Can I help you?
What's your name and badge number?
We don't have badge numbers. Detective Leonard.
The lady just gave me your badge number.
We don't have badge numbers.
You got an employee ID number?
Yep.
What's that?
0759.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, how can I help you?
Got any donuts in there?
No.
I'm starving.
No, what can I do for you?
Nothing.
Nothing? Any particular reason why you're filming the sheriff's office?
Because I feel like it.
You feel like it, okay.
Is there a problem? Is it illegal?
No.
Okay.
It's a safety concern for us.
Have a good day, sir.
You can film outside all you want, you're not filming inside.
My that?
You can't film inside.
Says who? What law?
You're trespassing.
What law is that? Do you know
Trespassing. Do you know trespassing?
Do you know Smith versus Cummings?
Do you know trespassing?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you're on that verge.
Okay. Do you know that there has to be a law violated for you to trespass somebody off public property?
Okay.
Do you know that?
Yeah, and you're doing it.
What law am I breaking?
Not listening to.
Not listening to you?
You cannot film inside the sheriff's office. You can film out here all you want.
Not listening
I'm
is...
going to stop you out here from filming.
No.
But you're not going to come inside the building.
Give me your supervisor.
Nope. You film out here. Don't come back in here.
Give me your supervisor, please.
Do you have an understanding? Because if you come back in, I'm going to arrest you.
Can I have your supervisor? Are you denying me your supervisor? No. Okay, I'd like to see your supervisor, please. As soon as I get your supervisor.
Okay, as soon as I call him.
Okay. I'll go around to the other side. So if I go in the lobby here, you're going to arrest me for trespassing.
We're going to ask you to leave. If you refuse to leave, we will arrest you for trespassing.
What crime would I break in order for a trespassing warning to be issued?
Refusing to leave.
That's a law?
Okay. You good to go?
As soon as I get some complaint forms.
Okay. Go into internal affairs.
Okay. What's your name again?
Chris Ford.
Chris Ford.
Chris Ford.
And you're an assistant?
I work for the Orange County Sheriff's Office, Facility Security.
Facility Security.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. And who's above you? You got a supervisor here?
I do, sir.
Okay. Who is that?
This is Mitch Chaban.
Is he here?
He's either on the premises or he's off the premises. I've had to check in.
Okay. I can find out from them, though?
They do not work for him, sir.
They would be able to find out if your supervisor's here?
I can call him for you.
Okay. Yeah, could you do that?
I'd be happy to.
I need somebody that actually knows the law and not just what they want the law to be.
Doesn't matter, sir.
Oh, it absolutely does matter.
Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
In the end, no crime was committed, just a lot of ego, confusion, and unnecessary escalation. But here's the lesson. Rights only work when people understand them, on both sides of the badge. Because when ignorance meets authority, freedom becomes fragile. If you believe in transparency, accountability, and knowing your rights, subscribe, share, and stay alert, because the camera isn't the threat, the reaction is.